Hello, and welcome to Before You Buy, where we take an in-depth look inside the kit before you buy yours. This week's kit is from AMT Round 2, and it is the 1959 Cadillac Ambulance. Includes all new Gurney in 1/25th scale. Cover art showing off a great classic red and white paint scheme. On this side, we have another version of a red and white ambulance. Includes large decal sheet with plenty of options, featuring two styles of the frosted window markings. And showing off that gurney there. Quick preview of the decals. End card, same as the top, includes our part number of AMT 1395. And here we have more new features for this Cadillac ambulance. At the emergency supply cabinet, chrome hubcaps and white wall inserts. New ambulance light options, and then again talking about the chrome gurney with a mattress, or new for the 50s, and with all round 2 we got a nice breakdown of what's inside on the lower. We do have 82 parts, skill level 2, and down here again we have our part number, 59 Cadillac ambulance with gurney, and our production date of 9/27/2023. So now we've gone around the box, let's get inside. Start off, we got a nice instruction sheet, pair of metal axles. We got that large, giant Cadillac ambulance body. There is the clears and reds. Got our chrome parts in one bag. More white parts. Again, only 82 parts in here. 4 tires, decal pack, and Auto World flyer. Let me get everything unbagged and take a closer look. And for those of you that don't know, this does descend from the Polar Lights branded Ghostbusters Ecto 1, which we've seen in the early 2000s. A few releases there with the Polar Lights and Ecto 1 branding, and then switched over to the AMT branded Ecto 1A, which is again an alternate version there. I believe there was a couple releases of that one. And then round 2, AMT released the Surfshark, kind of a beach cruiser, stripped down of all of the Ghostbusters specific items. It's kind of more of a fantasy Cadillac ambulance. And now they revamped the kit to include many new parts, which better represent kind of a more traditional or stock appearing Cadillac ambulance. So it's a really nice addition to the lineup. Excited to see that. So let's get into the instructions here. Again, 59 Cadillac ambulance, starting off with a new gurney. It is separate pieces there with some sides, ends, and the kind of bed area. Moving on to the interior, some more of those new parts, like the window partition, the storage cabinet, again that gurney sliding in there. Pretty simple interior assembly with just the kind of the dash, steering column, and steering wheel into that full tub. Down here we see some more of those revamped parts, a lot of those revamped parts. We got all sorts of optional roof parts that you can kind of pick and choose, whether you want sirens or the horns, light housings, different bullet style roof lights, the other style roof lights. You got just a standard beacon. Great options all around for you to kind of customize your own design on ambulance. Front bumper, antenna, side mirror. The side fins are separate on these kits, and then the rear bumper is another new tooling to this kit, giving you a more stock style bumper versus the kind of diamond plate step bumper that came off of the Ecto 1s. Here I believe are all new parts with the wheels, tires, and white wall inserts. I do believe are all new again for this kit. Kind of that stock Cadillac style hubcap to fit in a more normal or traditional style looking ambulance. You can sandwich some of your parts together, and the chassis pane with the metal axles. And give you a little tip on your decal placement. Again, you get a couple of different window decals, a couple of different door decals, and we'll see more of that when we get to those. So let's get into the parts. Start off with some simple metal axles there in the bag, and our tires there. The back side just kind of a plain with a rib, and then here is our white wall side, again indented for those inserts and even branded BF Goodwrench silver tones with some excellent tread patterning, great lettering. Again, will look fantastic with those white walls. You do get 4 of the same size and branding for the tires. And to go in those tires, you get those white wall inserts, which create a very crisp kind of clean white wall edge for you. You don't have to worry about painting or getting decals onto your tires. Here's kind of the rest of the tires with the wheel backs and those metal axle style backs. Here is our steering wheel, which does look like it has a cover, kind of a wrap cover on it. There are our separate 59 fins, too big to do it all in one molding. Add those separate. Speaking of the molding, here it is, one giant piece here, about as big as you can get on the road with a 59 Cadillac Ambulance. It is a 4-door handles with a rear kind of swing out door. Our roof does have holes in it for your lights, and even has some kind of accessory holes if you do decide to run those options. Quick little clean out for your locator pins. Antenna hole. It is a curbside kit. There is no engine. It is molded shut there. Again, really great piece. A giant piece of styrene there. To go inside, we get one large traditional style tub with the seats molded in. We do have kind of the door trimmings there with the handles. Pretty simple design, simple for an ambulance. Got kind of jumper seats, a pair in the back, and room for your gurney next to those. Here are some of your new additional parts. Again, those double kind of shotgun style lights for the roof. It is a new style for this version. Some more new parts. There is like the Gurney mattress and pillow. There is our cabinet, a couple of drawers, a couple of doors. Detail out, really kind of bring that ambulance to life. Moving on, more of the interior. We got a excellent dash here. Has a speedometer and some nice vent louvering. Really nice piece there. To go finish off the interior, we have the kind of center section of the steering column with the shifter and signal lever. And here we have the single one-piece pan that accepts those metal axles. I do have some nice sharp molding here. Detail of the gas tank, rear end, dual mufflers, all the frame rivets and that. So give you some work to paint up. Now moving on, we have a tree of clear parts. Again, one giant full surround for the clear windows. We get the addition of that divider. We get a couple of kind of police lights there, different headlights, and bulbs there for accessory lighting. Moving on to the red parts, the red lenses. Get a couple of small trees here. Looks like we got some nice 59 Cadillac bullets there. Got a little dome there. A couple of flat reds. Bunch more of the domes and bullets. Again, for you to pick and choose which styling you would prefer on your ambulance. Now on to chrome parts. Check those great looking Cadillac hubcaps there. There's parts of your gurney on both sides and the two ends. A beautiful giant chunk of chrome for the front end of your Cadillac. Great detail. And here's that all new kind of stock style bumper and fin pieces there. Very nice piece to see come out for this kit. And another chrome part. There is kind of the original kind of flat style lights for the roof. What else we got here? We got some door mirrors, nice one piece door mirrors. There's our antenna, nice thin piece there. And our optional kind of sirens and light housings there. Again, for you to pick and choose which options you prefer. And to end it off, we do have this beautiful decal set. Again, City of Troy in gold or white. Fire department. Couple of dash gauges. Gives you a couple of sets in case you mess up. Get some extra hubcap inserts. All of the logo and lettering for around your ambulance. Again, white or red crosses there. I don't know if you can get that white to show up. These are all of your glass etched patterns to go around your windows. Again, lots of different options to make your ambulance unique to your shelf. And with that, we'll end with some pictures and have a good day.